Hi everyone, I'm Sanjay and I'm studying Savita Engineering College in AEDS department, and I'm going to explain the linear search and binary search in Python programming language. Let's start with linear search. The linear search function takes two inputs, array representing the list to search within and k the target element to find. Inside the function, a loop iterates through each element of the list one by one. For each element, it checks if it matches target element k. If a match is found, the function returns the index of the element in the list. If no match is found after the iterating to the entire list, the function returns -1. To indicate that the element was not found, in the main part of the code, the user is prompted to input the list and the element to search for. The linear search function is then called with these inputs, and then the result is stored in the variable RAS. Finally, the code checks if the RAS is -1 or not. If it's -1, it prints element not found. Otherwise, it's print element found at index, followed by the index where the element was found. Let's go to binary search. The function binary search searches for an element in K in a sorted array. It starts with the search space defined by the low and high indices. In each iteration, it calculates the middle index of the search space and compares the element at the index with k. If the element is found, it returns its index. If the element is less than k, it narrows the search space for to the right of. If the element is greater than k, it narrows the search space to the left of. If the search space is empty, which is low greater than I, it means that k is not found in the array. So it returns -1. Thank you.